Welcome to Vikas Livestock Pig Farm. We are very happy to say that with your blessings and love, our farm has become the most searched pig farm all over India on Google, YouTube, and Google Maps. Our farm is located in Saharanpur city, Uttar Pradesh state. You can search us on Google by just typing Vikas Livestock Pig Farm. We maintain good hygiene and clean our farm daily, whether it is about our animals or our total farm. Our farm has a wide variety of plants which provide proper oxygen and great fragrance that maintain good atmosphere for our animals and for us as well. Our farm can store around 600 animals at a time. We are doing farming of large white Yorkshire and Landrance pig breed, which gives more profit with good mothering. We run our farm totally on dry feed, which provide massive result in litter size, growth as well as high quality breeding. We have designed our farm by keeping in mind of proper ventilation and good airflow. Plus, animals feel secure in all weathers, have lot space to move and feel little free for activities. We are large producer of pig. Any good quality breed can WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number shown on the screen. We also provide pig farm training sessions. You can see our training videos shown on cards. Our training session provide massive information for new startup. We provide theoreticals and practical with accommodation in just rupees 6,500. Our fees is most economical all over India, which provide proper knowledge and accommodation included in fees only. We also provide royal green pig feed. Anyone want for their farm can contact us. Our farm is located on proper main road so that there is no tension of transportation of animals as well as feed in any weather. Hope you like our farm and our management, so don't forget to like, share, comment on our videos and do subscribe us. Thank you.